Hi you guys, this is the original Rudegal, and for this video, if you want this look, it's alternate, like, well, neutral, but yet colorful. And as you know, it's soon coming up Mardi Gras season, so I will be doing a couple Mardi Gras looks for you. You can use it for yourself. As you see, you don't have to really run away from color, but again, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that notification button so you can join me with this 365 challenge. The 365 challenge again is where I upload one new video every day for 365 days. Now I know lately I'm having problems with editing, but like I said, my objective is at the end of the year, I will have not only 365 videos uploaded, I'm going to try to bring y'all 52 or more eye looks. They will not repeat itself, so that's challenging myself in creativity, and also some daily vlogs, so y'all get to know a little bit more about me. So again, I would like you to comment and tell me what you like about, or what you're looking forward to in 2018, and also tell me how you feel about this look. Do you even celebrate Mardi Gras in your state or your town or your country? But again, if you want this look, stay tuned.
Young Budsy.
Wanna make you my wife, baby. Follow me, go, oh, oh, oh. Follow me, go, oh, oh. Stay with me, just stay with me, girl. Take you to see my mama, I take you to see my papa, I take you to see my brother, I take you to see my sister. See, mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Just do it for me, put that thing up on the floor. From above, hey, you're a blessing, oh. Anything that you do, you're a blessing, oh. And the way that you move, you're a blessing, oh. Everything that you do is a blessing, oh. Hey, I'm a Kalineka, Aisha Halima. All of them got nothing on you, girl. Those girls got nothing on you, girl. Mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Just do it for me. Put that thing up on the floor. Girl, when always okay, oh, when always okay, oh, when always okay, oh, when always
guys. Again, this look was achieved with my 1675 palette. And actually, might as well announce I have a giveaway. I'm giving away 2 165 palettes. These are brand new. This is their pro palettes. These are all handmade, cruelty free, and they are superb. As you see, I only use 3 looks. I will put a picture here, here, and here of looks I've also achieved with this palette. I love this palette. It is very inexpensive, but it is so luxuriously made because these are all pressed by hand. So again, this will, excuse me, my nose. It's cold outside. This is 165. For the giveaway, I'm going to give away a palette. Well, the grand prize will be a palette and 2 highlighters. Second prize will just be the palette. And for this giveaway, you have to, 1, make sure you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and also I need you to go and like my Facebook page. All of it is linked in the bio or description box below. I also need you to go and comment and tell me what are you looking forward to in 2018, which gurus or which people actually influence you. And it doesn't even have to be a guru. It could be anybody in your life that influenced you and why. I will be picking at random, but for those that give me an answer that I actually, you know, find poignant or whatever, I will make sure I give a shout out within the 365 challenge. My objective, honestly, is to, oh, also you have to subscribe to this channel, and it has to be public that you subscribe to this channel. Oh, and like the video. I'm sorry, I'm giving so many stipulations. So follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, and Twitter. Also, make sure you like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe. That's it. And like I said, I purchased this with my own coin. This is not a sponsored video. The thing is, I love 1675's eyeshadow palettes, and I also love, if ever you wonder, or if ever you're wondering what this little highlight or this Z palette is, this is all my 167 highlighters. I love them. That's what I wear, okay? Now, I do have artist couture highlighters. I have a lot of highlighters, and if you watch my other videos, you'll see all my highlighters. But for this giveaway, I am going to give you my highlighters that I love. These are my go-to now, my holy grails, because I've been wearing them for now over a year. I love these highlighters. So again, this is the original Rudegal. And as you know, I'm making new videos every day, and I love you guys. Make sure you comment and let me know where you hail from as well. And see you in the next video, or see you tomorrow. Bye.
Hey guys, it's your original Rudegal in the lab trying to edit this video, but here you go, a little ditty from me to you. Really can't stay, it's cold outside. I mean,